Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Packing Cubes is probably one of the most essential travel accessories you can buy, especially if you're someone who struggles with staying organized on the go or wants to maximize the space in your luggage. These Amazon Basics packing cubes are designed to help you neatly pack and compartmentalize your clothing and personal items, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. They come in a variety of sizes and can be used to separate different types of clothing, like shirts, pants, or undergarments, or even to keep dirty laundry separate from clean clothes. Number 5. BAGAIL 8-Set Packing Cubes, Cream. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and wear and tear during your travels. Made with light fabric, they keep your clothes neatly stored without adding extra weight. The double-way zipper with an extended cord makes them easy to use, while the mesh top panel helps identify contents quickly. Separate your clothes with multiple sizes and colors for better organization. This saves you time by preventing misplacement and maximizes the space in your luggage. These organizers fit into various suitcase sizes and can even be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, or duffel bags. They are perfect for family breaks, business trips, vacations, and outdoor adventures. They help you efficiently sort and organize your clothing for easy access. This saves you time and effort, ultimately maximizing your travel comfort. What we like. This set offers premium, water-repellent fabric that keeps clothes protected. If you are looking for durable organizers that can handle wear and tear while keeping your belongings safe from spills, this is a great choice. It's ideal for travelers who prioritize protection and longevity for their clothing. What people say. The zip cubes hold a surprising amount, allowing me to pack more efficiently. They're durable, easy to wipe clean, and the different size cubes are perfect for organizing my entire family's clothes. 8 decently made lightweight bags to organize my luggage. The 2 largest bags have snapping luggage straps inside, a cloth handle and a mesh cover. All the zippers are in perfect order with added plastic grips. I especially like that they all have substantial depth to pack a lot and come in a variety of sizes. These packing cubes are very spacious and can be compressed to fit a lot of clothes and items. They have been very nice and convenient. They have got a little wear on them, but they function still pretty well. Number 4. Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of overstuffed luggage? Introducing our revolutionary compression packing cubes. They make packing and organizing your clothes a breeze. These lightweight yet durable organizers are designed to save you precious space. Simply pack your clothes, zip, and compress to reduce volume. Keep your belongings neatly separated and easily accessible. No more digging through your suitcase to find what you need. Crafted from durable materials, they are built to withstand the rigors of travel. They are the perfect companion for any journey. Ideal for carry-on luggage and suitcases, these cubes help you adhere to airline size restrictions. Travel with confidence and ease. Experience the difference quality makes. Tripped Travel Gear is committed to enhancing your travel experience with innovative solutions. What we like. This option excels with its compression feature, allowing you to pack more into less space. If you are a traveler who always struggles to fit everything in your suitcase or wants to bring back souvenirs, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for those who need to maximize their packing capacity. What people say. The cubes are made of a durable mesh material that allows for easy visibility of contents and good ventilation. They come in a variety of sizes, making it easy to organize different types of clothing and accessories. The zippers are smooth and easy to operate, and the overall construction feels sturdy and well-made. Number 3. Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of bulky luggage? Introducing our revolutionary compression packing cubes. They make packing a breeze, saving you valuable space. These lightweight organizers are designed to compress your clothes efficiently. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit into your carry-on or suitcase. Crafted from durable materials, our packing cubes are built to last. They'll withstand the rigors of travel, keeping your belongings secure and organized. Say goodbye to messy suitcases. Our cubes help you categorize and separate your items, making it easy to find what you need, when you need it. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long-haul adventure, these are essential for any traveler. Experience the convenience of organized, compressed packing. Trust Trip Travel Gear for your travel essentials. We provide high-quality solutions to make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. What we like. Experience the ability to pack significantly more with its advanced compression design. If you often find yourself needing extra space for clothing, gear, or souvenirs, this set is for you. It's perfect for longer trips or for those who like to overpack without the bulk. What people say. The material is very good quality and durable. It fit all my clothes, long raincoat, jacket, warmers, and even my waterproof hiking shoes for my trip to Alaska. These bags made all my clothes and shoes fit in luggage. Amazed at how much I could stuff into these. All my clothes for the trip, including some warm for layers, crammed into 4 cubes. One large cube had 3 pair of men's jeans in it. I had to work at it, but I got it zipped down. The 4 cubes and Ziplocs with toiletries then fit into a personal item-size backpack. They reduce the size of my clothes and keep me organized. They are made of durable material, zippers work very well, easy to use, and designed to allow easy access. I like the soft feel of the material and the colors they have available. Number 2. Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes, Purple 4-Pack. Tired of disorganized luggage? Our packing cubes come in various sizes to help you pack faster and keep everything neatly organized. Simply transfer them to your hotel drawers when you arrive. Maximize your suitcase space with our innovative double zipper compression design. You can now bring twice as many clothes and essentials on your next adventure. Keep your garments looking their best. These compression cubes help minimize wrinkles, ensuring you look sharp for your vacation or business trip. Crafted from high-grade nylon twill and breathable mesh, these travel companions are designed for durability. The mesh top allows for quick identification of contents. Our compression cubes are designed to fit seamlessly into most suitcases and backpacks. Choose the set size that best suits your travel needs, from carry-ons to checked luggage. What we like. This set provides a smart, space-saving design perfect for both travel and home organization. If you appreciate having neatly sorted items and want to maximize closet space as well as suitcase capacity, this is an excellent pick. It's suitable for anyone looking for efficient organization across different scenarios. What people say. I used all the cubes, each for its own category of clothing: X small, socks, small, undergarments, SM med, nightgowns, med, blouses and sweater, med large, dresses, large, jeans and swimsuit. I was able to pack 2 weeks of clothing without problem. The cubes are a great quality, they held up very well, no tears or problems. The quality of the zippers were good, I was able to compress each cube, even though they were packed to the brim. The fabric used for the cubes was very sturdy, yet soft. I love that the front of each cube is mesh, which on a 2-week trip helped keep my suitcase fresh and airy. I love that by using these, I was able to keep my clothing sorted, less wrinkled, and my suitcase well organized. Great packing cubes, with the ability to compress with the second zipper. It made packing for my trip very easy. I was able to keep everything organized and had room for so much more. I like all the different size variations. I like these because they start out deep, compared to others, so I can fit sweaters, etc. The zippers are quality and I can zip the compression zipper without fear of tearing anything. This is a game changer for my packing. Number 1. Amazon Essentials 4-Piece Packing Cube Set. Introducing our 4-piece packing cube set, designed to save you space. These cubes fit perfectly into any luggage, making them ideal for all your travel needs. Keep your clothes and accessories neatly sorted by type. The mesh panel allows for quick visibility, so you can find what you need at a glance. Crafted with durable materials and reinforced zippers, these cubes are built for frequent use. They keep your items secure without adding extra weight to your luggage. Easily identify contents through the mesh top panel without needing to open each cube. A convenient handle makes them easy to carry and they are machine washable for simple care. Previously known as Amazon Basics, this item is now part of Amazon Essentials. You can expect the same great quality you love. Use them to organize your closet at home or pack efficiently for business trips, vacations, camping, and cruises. They help maximize space wherever you go. What we like. Enjoy a user-friendly design that makes organization incredibly easy and offers great visibility. If you value quick access to your items and want to avoid rummaging through your luggage, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for travelers who like to keep their belongings tidy and easily identifiable. What people say. The cubes are lightweight and durable, making them easy to pack and carry. They come in various sizes, allowing for organized packing of different items. The zippered compartments keep clothes neatly compressed and secure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.